What's up? It's your boy DB Live in the building, and welcome to another Marketing with Dom, the #1 OnlyFans coach in the business by far. You know what? Doesn't matter, because we're here for you today. So I want you to subscribe to the channel if you're really trying to learn how you can make more money on OnlyFans and continuous increasing, because I'm about to go ham on this channel, okay? And if you know me, you can go down below, click on onlyfanstraining.com, join the free course, get all the things kind of that I think are the best things all soaked up in one, and then get to, you know what I'm saying, get to work with your boy. All right, so all I'm telling you is this today. There's only 3 ways to make money on OnlyFans, and I'm not lying. We're going to make this video sweet. We're going to make it quick. And because of that, what I need you to do is make sure you comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and share the video. Why? Because I need to fight against all the pretty faces in my niche that aren't giving you the juice, but I need you to take a pen and paper down and write this down and really focus, because how you make more money comes down to these 3 things, and I am serious. So let's go. 1, okay, you know what I'm saying? My bad. You know what I'm saying? 3-part ways to make money on OnlyFans. It's a real thing. I'm sorry, I get juiced. I love creating content. I love marketing. I love doing this for you. So let's go with the 3 ways to make more money. You're going to be like, these are obvious, but they're not as obvious as you think they are, because people do a bunch of other stuff, but there's only 3 ways, okay? The first way, okay? My bad, I got to move the thing over here, okay? The first, okay, can we click on it? Okay. New subscribers. Okay, let's talk about new subscribers, because a lot of people are like, well, how do I get new subscribers? I'm going to talk about the ways that we get new subscribers, and you need to write this down. 1, if you're an OnlyFans model or adultish creator some sort, what we do is we buy promotions directly to your platform, okay? Which means we do all types of things like Twitter promotions, Instagram promotions, Facebook promotions, but we make sure your link is in there and how much we pay to how much you make. Why? Because it's called ROI, return of investment. If someone's gonna be like, I need $200 to post this on this page, I'm like, all right, cool. But here's the thing I want you to know, it's a trick. This is a secret, and I'm not joking. You should always try to give away free trials if you're not a named brand person, because no one knows who you are. Most people don't just click on OnlyFans and buy. Why? Because it was made for people who are already fans. That's why it's called Only for Your Fans, okay? So if you don't have any fans, do not think of yourself too high and mighty to give away a free trial for people to get an opportunity to want to see and buy what you have. Think about that. Netflix has some of the best movies in the world. They still give you a free trial. Hulu, all these subscription-based anything content gives you free trials. Because why? Because people don't know you yet. And it takes time to love, appreciate, and build a relationship with a person to create subscribers. All right. Number 2, sell more to subscribers, which means the ability for you to produce and put out content consistently. Over and over and over and over. Write this down. Sell more to subscribers, which means you have to find a system to produce consistent content. Imagine if you bought into Hulu or something like that and they never dropped new videos ever, or Netflix never dropped new videos ever, but you're paying for it. They never got any new videos. I had to learn that same lesson on my subscription page when I was learning how to do all these things. And it wasn't because I didn't want to, it's because I didn't have a system, and a system matters. When you have a good system and you're doing it and you're complete, it works, okay? That's what I'm saying, all right? So find a system, create consistently good content, and sell more often to your subscribers, okay? 3, sell your content for more money. People are like, oh, most people start off way too high. I'm sorry if you're out there in the world right now and people aren't buying your content for $40, $50, or $100 just because it's too high. You haven't proven that they should buy it for that to the masses or to them, that your shit is worth it. I've had a lot of back and forth with people because they're charging way too much in the beginning. And I'm like, yo, start off $5, $10 a video to 10, 20 people. That's $200, $300 for the video. It's not about how you feel personally. It's about the marketplace. It's about the people who are purchasing it. If they're not going to spend $20, don't sell it for $20. Because what is a video without people purchasing it? It's just a video hanging out there. And you're trying to put a dollar value on people seeing some sort of content like if you're the choice of that. Be very careful when you do that. All right? Oh, I'm freezing over here. No, I said freezing again. Oh, okay. My bad. I'll be going everywhere. But listen, these are the 3 ways for you to make more money on OnlyFans. Write them down. You want to go back? Let's go back again. Okay. new subscribers, focusing on getting your ROI, which means investing and getting a return on your investment when it comes to the fans. 2, sell more to subscribers. Get consistent, deliver more content, make it happen. 3, sell your content for more money. Get better over time, increase the lighting, increase the sound, increase the scripts continuously. All right? Let's go. You already know what it is. This is the end of the video. I appreciate you for watching. Please make sure you subscribe down below. Please make sure you comment down below. And please make sure you continue on having a blessed day. I'll see you on the other side. It's your boy, DB Live in the building. And welcome to Marketing with Dom's channel. Let's go.